guys, so check this out. This place ain't nothing but a solid mud pit. Alright, so we're grabbing some lumber here at the Interfor is the name of the place that I'm at. It is in Thomaston, Georgia. It's just south of Atlanta. Coming in front of me here and make sure he can get out. Trucks, and you got a truck in front of me. It's getting loaded right now, so but in essence, check out this beautiful. Probably don't do it no justice, but it's nice. I've always had good experience in Georgia as far as people being super nice and everything, but I'll tell you, yesterday I was, you know what I mean, coming up here, I didn't want to block anything, so safety vests, safety glasses, over to the left. So let's go check in. All right, we got checked in, and I think where I was going, where I was going with the typically when you go to Georgia, I mean, there's usually super nice. But now, yesterday at the Hyundai steel place where I delivered a coil to, so you had to swing around this building, and you couldn't see inside the building until you got up there. And the last time I delivered there, I drove straight through in a different door. So it was only my second time through, first time at this door. So older guy says, we back out of here. I was like, okay, I moved my truck. He said, that's why it says wait back there, that wait sign. I was like, thanks for the clarification there, but super jerk. And And just now, as I was parked, not wanting to really kind of block this pathway where I'm at, you can see right here, I'm really kind of blocking the whole building. I didn't want to block this entrance right here. Forklifts are going in and out of there. So, but the guy pulled me up here and told me to park here, and that's what I did. But people that was going by me was throwing up their hands, and I get it. I guess if you're here every day, you kind of know the thing. I'm basically a foreigner in this facility where I've never been here. Don't really know the rules as far as where to park at. I'm trying to be courteous, I thought, but oh well, you live and you learn. But this place is it's a pretty big facility here. Let me check it out. Let me show you. Yeah, so we got all that. Got all that. Sorry, windows a little buggy. And so those trucks, those two trucks right there, once they get their straps on, this gentleman will pull up first, then I will pull up, then there's another truck beside of him that will pull up. That's third in line. But the reviews here, I was looking at the reviews last night. Typically I never do that, but I did this time. But they say they're really good about getting you loaded up here pretty quick. I noticed this. Hold on one second. Check that out right there. That's basically the woods are coming down a little belt getting stacked, coming straight from the, I would say probably the saw. And there's your big old hopper sawdust. A truck will pull underneath that, and that will dump. I would say probably sell it to do mulch, but I just now noticed that it quit running, but it was running a minute ago. It's amazing they're working with it. There it goes. Another little interesting thing that you know, you see sawmills on a small scale, but when you see them on a large scale like this, it's pretty wild. And my thing is I assume it's that building over there, but how they dry them, you know, how long do they gotta let them dry and everything. These guys are about strapped up here. I assume they'll move out to a different area to tarp up because they are a flatbed. But now on mine it says no tarp. Obviously I got a Conestoga and I'm just going to slide the curtain. But they got their tarps out. They're ready to throw on. But this is going to Clayton Homes in Morristown, Tennessee. Then I'll pick up in Alcoa, which is not too far from Morristown. And then I will take that load home with me for the weekend and deliver that in Woodhaven, Michigan on Monday. So probably won't get home. I know I won't get home until Saturday. I also get home Saturday morning early. It beats getting home at Saturday. I think last week we got home, I think it was 8:30. Just lose your whole weekend, you do that. Lose your whole weekend.